Hello. So in this video, I just want to show you how I've created a system, my second brain in Claude, and I'm going to be using it to write a new services page or sales page for my website. And so I'm just going to take you through this process. So I've just a few details of what I want the offer to be. So the first thing I'm going to ask it to do is write the sales page for me. So I'm going to call it my sales page writer skill, and I'm going to paste in the information about my offer. So you can see here that it's loading my brand voice, and it is loading a few of the other skills that I've built into it to help me with headlines and things like that. Okay, so the first thing it does is it gives me a selection of headlines to choose from, because that's how I've built it. I always like to have some different ideas that I can make decisions about. I like headline 2. So what it's going to be doing is pulling in the framework that I've specified. It's running a couple of other copywriting skills to make sure that this page is written to be conversion focused. Okay, so now it's writing the sales page for me. And even just reading this as it's writing it, I can see that there's not going to be a huge amount of edits that I need to make. So my next step in this workflow would be to go back and forth and get this finalized until I'm happy with it. Sometimes I do that here in Claude, depending on how much rework needs to be done. But often I will take it off the AI, I'll take it off Claude and work on it inside a Google document. So I've asked it to save as a Google Doc. And in here is where I could make the edit as needed. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so it's added it here into my Airtable, and it's got the link through to the document for me, and it's put some notes in, which is brilliant. So now I'm going to use my HTML builder. Now it's going through the design information that's been saved into the system. Okay, so I can see here on the right that it has created it, and it's following and it's also saved it here into my folder system, and then I can look at this and see how it looks. Okay, so I've got some issues here with these bullets. Okay, and so I can go back and forth with Claude to tidy things up, fix the design until I'm happy with it. And because this is working on an HTML file that's saved down onto my desktop, so once it says it's fixed, all I need to do is to go back here. So don't worry, this isn't published anywhere, this is just local, but it lets me see what it's going to look like once it's published. Okay, so it's fixed those bullets. I need to put a testimonial in, and we've got the same issue here. Okay, it's found another error as well. Going to just refresh and see. And so I'll go back and forth. I mean, this looks pretty good. I can see a few small things, but on the whole, this is literally just taken next to no time. I'm just checking that the URL's working, so you can see it's linking through to my website, so that's all good to go. But it's so fast, so simple, and it's all been done inside Claude. And how it's been done is I've built my second business brain in here that's got all this information. It's got my brand voice, it knows my offers, it knows my audience, it knows my brand visuals. And so all I've had to do is just run a couple of skills that then call all these various elements. And then this is just done in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And this is the power of incorporating Claude Code into your business operations.